Even if you hate videos, today we're going to talk about 8 video ideas that you need to try. No, it does not require dancing. Don't you worry, I'm not going to make you do that. In this channel, we talk about getting confident on camera and using social media, monetizing it, even with a small following. Let me read you some stats over here. That 6 out of 10 people prefer watching online video compared to television. That's me. I would rather watch some type of show or a YouTube video versus me just getting on TV watching something. More than 75% of videos are played on mobile devices. Video posts on social media get 48% more views. Video posts on Instagram receive twice as much engagement as any other type of post. And we already know this. You've heard this before. So I tell you these numbers because you either have to evolve or you're gonna get left behind. So let's get straight into these 8 ideas. Can you go ahead and smash that like button so other people just like you can watch this video? Okay, so there are 2 types of content. There's evergreen content and trending content. Trending is what's hot today. What are the pop culture things that are happening? Who is on the news all the time? This trending content is super fun, and don't get me wrong, that's a great way to do a lot of your video. But in order for your ideal client to absolutely trust you and fall in love with you, you need evergreen content. Evergreen content in your library and something that's going to be relevant today and in 3-4 years. So today I'm sharing the power of evergreen video content. Number 1, which is behind the scenes video. I want to show you right here. Behind the scenes, take a look at this. Is behind the scenes video. You can take a look, actually prompt up right here, and it's kind of like a behind the scenes of me recording the video, as well as I can use it as other content. This is a chance for you to pull back the curtain and make sure to have that know, like, trust factor with your ideal client, creating content that is still relevant, really showing them what is it that you do every single day. How do you create what you create? How do you package things? What does it look like to work with you? So I'm just about to record. This is what I'm going to record on. And if you don't know what content confidence is, I'm going to explain here. Here we go. Welcome back to June Content Confidence. You just wait. You're going to absolutely love this month. Which brings me to my second, which is a day in a life. So this is a little bit different. This may be a little more vlogging. People like behind the scenes. They like to be let in the cheeseman. And something that you can do is simply just film throughout your day. So one thing that you can do is small snippets of your day and putting them all together at the end of the day. Or it could be a section, maybe an hour, that's going to be very eventful for you. And a quick tip, you are not a videographer and you have no idea how to do this. Just do 1 to 2-second video and put them together in a reel. That is the simplest way to do so, that Instagram app, and just cut it to 1 to 2 seconds. Number 3 is frequently asked questions. So every single business owner has questions like, how do I sign up? How do I contact you? For example, a personal trainer, what do I eat before my workout? What do I eat after my workout? That you can use as evergreen content, not only to send it to your now signed up clients, but to potential clients that do have questions and want to know how it is to work with you. Let's say you're a beauty professional and one of the questions may be, what should I bring to my consultation? Why should I use this pre-procedure product? If you're doing a certain type of hairdo, like, why should I use this versus this? Common questions that not only help your current customers, but your potential customers. Number 4 is product spotlight. This is amazing, literally for any type of business. Just tell me what your product does. If this lotion right here is like the best lotion ever, then show me how to use it. Tell me why it's amazing. Okay, yes, it's vegan, non-toxic, but what else? How is it gonna make me feel? Is it gonna keep my hair less frizzy, less dry elbows? What is that product? If you have something like an ebook, also, like, show me what it looks like inside, how to download it, something that's gonna spotlight or to buy from you. If you are finding value, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite so far, because I'm gonna get straight into user-generated content. So think about what your clients already are posting. Maybe they already have a before and after. You can grab that picture or video and put it into a reel. User-generated content is one of the best ways to get that credibility from your audience, as well as spotlighting that bomb client that absolutely loves and adores you. Educate your audience is picking a topic to your niche, right? This is your chance to be the expert. Things like, okay, if you're an esthetician, why should I get a facial? That may may feel like it's super basic, but I promise you that a lot of people don't understand the reason why. How often should I get a facial? Let's say you're a hairstylist. Why are silicones bad for your hair? Why is scalp health so important? Even the most basic questions can be a video. It could be talk to camera like this, educational text, or educational caption, tutorials. And that may seem like it's the same as educate, but let me tell you the difference, okay? Educate versus tutorial. 5 reasons to deadlift, that would be educate, versus how to do a sumo deadlift, that is a tutorial. So that's the difference there. Incorporate both because your audience will absolutely love it. Let's move into number 8, which is your why. Well, people love a brand with purpose. Sharing that reason of why you started your company, why you help who you help, why you help your ideal client really humanizes your brand because you're speaking to your target audience and your ideal client. This can be anything. It could be a quick slideshow, a voiceover. This could be a video of a special moment, but I would honestly add this like once a month. If you're posting 4 to 5 times a week, plan on somehow adding it once a month to remind them, this is my why, this is why I'm helping you, and this is how I'm gonna help you get to the next level. If you like this type of content, make sure that you subscribe so you do not miss the next one, and I'll see you in the next video.